going to be a learning experience for all of us because Mrs. Viertaler is just learning how to use this too. So we're going to practice doing a few things first before we get started. So first of all, I want everybody to take your cursor. Oops, I've got some more people in the waiting room. See if somebody else is coming.
Waiting room. Where is the waiting room?
Just to be out.
It's called
So, yeah.
Is that?
Yep. More people are coming in. Your pictures are probably getting a little smaller.
Jalen.
Oh, Jalen.
Aspen.
Aspen, how are you?
I asked.
Yeah. And then we have one more that's just waiting, but I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is.
You can look at it.
I don't know who that one is. I don't know what
That
that
one.
Ellen. Braylon.
Hi, Aspen. I have one.
Hi, Aspen.
Get connected yet.
What's in there? When are we going to get that taking to Hunted?
We're just trying to get everybody in here.
Can you tell us something?
They just see this down here.
Okay.
Better to see
I
that's what
do not like.
Hi, Jalen.
Okay.
Penny.
Listen,
Daddy.
figure out how to
hey.
do
Oops.
Give it.
Yeah.
Why is there where is he around me?
I have kids in
Okay.
I didn't get to teach on there to the
My daddy.
Good morning, Sammy.
I need to deactivate.
Okay, right now I muted you all. That means I can't hear you and you can't hear anybody else. And you can't undo you because right now I'm going to talk and I want everybody to listen, okay? Okay, in just a few minutes I'm going to unmute you and then that means that you can all talk. And first of all, I thought that we would do some practicing and then we get to do some show and tell and then I've got a game we're going to play. And then we're going to go over an assignment, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to do this morning. So first of all, I'm going to unmute you so you can listen and follow my directions, all right? Okay, now everyone is unmuted. So at the very bottom of your screen, you should have a bar. And you've got different, take your cursor and move it to the bottom of your screen. And you see a microphone? The microphone's clear over here at the left. And you're going to click on the microphone and that means you're going to mute yourself. See if you can mute yourself. Can you do it?
Press it and mute it. Try it again. No.
Now I unmuted myself, so now I want you to go back down to that corner and I want you to unmute you. Go down to the corner and unmute. You can talk again.
There.
Can you see?
Hello.
When you're muted, did you see that red? Did you see that red thing in the corner? Yeah, the microphone was muted. So we're just practicing, okay? Okay, now go down to the corner and you're going to, there's a video camera and you're going to press on it to stop your video.
video.
see what happens to me? When I stop my video, my screen goes on.
There.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Your videos are more.
You're gonna see if you can stop your video.
Click it.
Can you click it?
Stop video.
Stop your video. Good
There you go.
job.
Where's Mrs.
I'm in just like you are. I'm waiting for everybody to stop their video. Okay, now go back down and go back down and click that. So now I can see you all again.
Click it again.
Yay!
There you go.
Click
Good
it.
job.
Good
job. Now everybody's everybody.
Start video.
Okay. Now, please listen.
I'm mistaken.
Right now we are going to, I'm going to mute everybody, but I'm going to give only one person a chance to talk at once. So I want everybody but Jalen to mute themselves. Can you do that? Everybody but Jalen, mute yourself.
Mute yourself there. Mute it. No, don't turn off your video. Mute yourself.
Mute. The microphone, put it behind.
You have to mute yourself, she said.
What does that mean?
Mute.
Your microphone. You need to.
Okay.
Hi.
Jalen, how are you?
Good.
Can you tell everybody what you have been doing?
We were watching the movies from the library.
You've been watching a lot of movies from the library. Have you been going outside at all? A little bit? Okay. Except on Saturday. Saturday it was really windy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Jalen, can you mute yourself? And Aspen, can you unmute you? Aspen, what have you been doing?
I've been trying to ride my bike without changing wheels.
You have. Have you done it yet?
I'm still practicing.
Still practicing. That's good, though. That's good, because it takes a long time, doesn't it? Yeah. And have you been enjoying the nice weather? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Aspen, can you mute yourself? Okay. And Sophie, can you unmute you? What have you been doing, Sophie?
I've been riding my bike without training wheels, my big one from Christmas.
Oh my goodness. Have you fallen?
The other day I fall.
Oh no.
Got
You
it
didn't
back.
hurt yourself, did you?
I got a scrape on my hand, and my knee was bleeding, but I'm okay.
Oh, wow. I'm so happy that you're okay. Very
Yeah,
good.
feel much better.
Okay, Sophie, can you mute yourself? And Hunter, can you unmute you and tell us what you've been doing? What have you been doing?
We've been making a fort,
Oh,
and then our window broke the next day.
oh no, that's not
I
good. Huh. Oh,
I got that.
ouch. Oh my
I
goodness.
also got that.
Oh, ouchies, huh?
Got blue on me.
You got blue on you? Did you get a bruise?
No.
No, you just have blue on you.
Yeah, you're gonna have a little
Something
scratch
else.
right here.
A
Just
scratch.
a
Okay.
tiny dot.
Good job. Okay, Hunter, can you mute yourself? And Cambry, can you tell us what you've been doing?
I have been riding my dog out.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Do you get to drive it or does your brother drive it?
My brother and me and my sister gets to drive it.
Oh my goodness. Are you a good driver? Yeah? Yeah? Do you just go around your farm? Yeah? Oh, that sounds like fun. Okay, Cambry, can you mute yourself? And Eli, can you unmute you? Okay, Eli, what have you been doing?
Downstairs in my basement, me and Ian have been building an army tent.
Oh my goodness, an army tent. Does that surprise me?
Yeah.
You like the army, don't you, bud?
Yeah, and I went out in the garden with my grandpa and we planted some beans.
Oh, wow, cool. Did you plant potatoes? They usually say you plant potatoes in March.
It was beans. It was beans.
It was beans. Okay, very cool. Good job. Okay, can you mute yourself? And Emma, can you unmute you? And tell us what you've been doing.
What have you been doing?
What have you been doing, Emma? Have you been helping Mom take care of your brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Playing outside? Can you talk?
Can tell them what you've been doing.
Oh, are you being shy even on video?
It's okay.
It's okay, Emma. It's okay. If you don't want to tell us, you can just go ahead.
Okay. Can you tell them?
Sit right here and tell them.
Tell them what you've been
Tell them
doing.
what we've been doing. Tell them. Outside. Speak up a little.
Playing outside?
Playing outside? Oh, that sounds like fun. Yeah.
Oh, you're eating at Wendy's? No, playing. Oh, playing at Wendy's. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, have you been going to Wendy's? Yeah. Very cool. Very good. And have you gone by to see your big hole yet?
Tell
Have
them
you
what
gone
we're
by to
building.
see your basement?
Tell them you're building a
So
house.
yeah, they're working on it now.
Oh, very cool. Okay, Emma, can you mute you? And Kimmett, can you tell us what you've been doing?
I ride it on a tractor and big with him.
Oh my goodness, cool. You've been riding on your tractor? Yeah. Have you been working with Dad? Yeah. Or Grandpa? Yeah. That sounds like fun. Okay. Can you go ahead and mute yourself? And Dawson, can you unmute you? Dawson. Okay. Dawson, what have you been doing?
I've been riding my bike.
Have you? Are you getting good at riding your bike? Do you still have training wheels on your bike or do you have them off?
I have
For training wheels?
Like just 2 wheels, not 3.
Yeah.
Without training wheels.
Very good. Good job, bud. Okay. Dawson, can you go ahead and mute yourself and we will let Calder share. Hi, Calder.
Say hi.
There you go,
Hi.
Calder. What have you been doing?
Going outside and going on walks.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a very good idea. Yeah. And it's kind of hard not being able to have friends over to play, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you see friends though at the park when you go by the park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, Nia, I will let everybody unmute yourself. And as I said, we are going to do a game. This game is called a scavenger hunt. Does anybody know what a scavenger hunt is?
Do you know what a scavenger hunt is?
What is a scavenger hunt, Sophie?
It's like when you go looking for like you go looking for stuff.
You go looking for stuff. Now on this scavenger hunt, what we're going to do is we're going to go looking for stuff, and then you have to come back and you have to show it to everybody. Okay?